Have you ever been in a place of total ruin and wonder how to rebuild it? That was the experience of a man in the Bible. His name is Nehemiah. After much prayer, he started one of the greatest projects of restoration, the wall of Jerusalem. We talk a lot about Jerusalem today, and he actually rebuilt the wall. What does it look like about health? In these important times of Earth history, preceding Jesus' soon return, God invites us all to build with Him. Even you can participate. Jesus is the true builder and is the one who includes us in His work. He is using us to extend His kingdom, not in buildings, not in possession, but in the hearts. He wants to have your hearts with Him in unity. A major work of restoration is ahead of us. When we look at it, we see that there is much to do, but we are assured of God's presence and leading. In this generation, I believe that God intends to accomplish a great work through us, a work that has not been accomplished even in the past, a work that will make us closer to His return. A lot of work has been done since 1863, when in the Adventist Church, Ellen White, one of the main author and prophet, have been receiving major vision on health. And God intends to finish His work using the health message associated to the gospel message. Today, pastor and physician are called to repair the breach. But the breach is simply that God's law has been attacked. A lot of people all over the world find God as responsible of all the evil things happening, and His name has been under attack. But we are to represent Him by proclaiming His great love to the world. By our word, by our actions, the way we relate to people, we have to manifest that God is alive and that His love is for all of us. As servants of God, we are called to unify our efforts, our talents, our energy to follow God's plan of work. As a student of WIMAR, I've been participating in many community health programs, and I've been realizing how powerful is the health message connected to the message of the gospel. I've been realized how life has been changed, how many people have been in touch with the Creator, how they have never sometimes opened a Bible or know anything about God, and the Holy Spirit start a work in their heart. This is for such a joy that we are working with God, to see many lives transformed by the grace of God. We can see even sometimes we feel weak, sometimes we feel unequipped. We feel that God is able to use us, to qualify us, to work before us and accomplish a great work through us. Would you like God to make you an agent of restoration? Would you work with Him today for the salvation of precious souls around you? Would you like to say to God, I want to be your servant. I want to serve you and work with you, so that one day when you come back in the New Jerusalem, I can come with the people that you have given me, and this day I will be able to rejoice and celebrate your great love forever.